Hello everyone, this is Frank, reference librarian at the McAllen Public Library. You know, when I was a kid, I dreamed of being able to have a machine that could turn objects of the imagination into physical objects. Well, now we have a machine that can do that. Lo and behold, the 3D printer. So how does this device work? 3D printing is also known as additive manufacturing, and it is the process of making solid objects from a digital file. Additive processes work by adding successive layers of material, creating an object in the end. Think of 3D printing as the opposite of subtractive manufacturing, which is peeling off more material to leave out the final object. So, what is the advantage of 3D printing? The advantage is that you get to use less material to create more complex and detailed objects when compared to more traditional methods. In order for you to be able to 3D print, you must first have a 3D model in a digital file. Tinkercard is a website where you can get 3D designs, and it is good for people who are beginning to enter the 3D printing world. When a 3D digital file is fed into the computer, it then gets sliced. That is, the file gets digitally sliced into many layers, which makes it ready for the 3D printer to print it layer by layer. Aside from making objects for fun, are there any other applications for 3D printing? People have had prosthetics made from 3D printing, fossils have been reconstructed, and industrial products have been constructed as well. 3D printing technology is indeed incredible and has a bright future. If you want to know more, I suggest you check out 3D Printing for Dummies by Kalani Kirk Hausman. I have added a link to the book in the description of the video on YouTube and to the blurb on social media. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, share the video, and don't forget to leave a comment below with any questions or feedback that you may have. This is Frank, and I wish everyone a wonderful day. Ad lucem.